we will cover topic general mental ability. In this general mental ability, what are the subtopic we have? Counting of squares. They give this type of diagram and they ask how many squares are there, how many rectangles are there, number of triangle, number of parallelogram, number of squares. Okay, so that we will see. मेरी टेबल पे ना बुकलेट रखे है नई वाली, वो ले आना. So we start with number of squares. But first thing is, like, after the birth of the child, what is the next activity? Name, नामकरण. लास्ट ईयर एक बैच ने बोला सेल्फी, तो वो भी चाहिए आज तक. Name, we have to give the name because otherwise every child will have same name. Similarly here we have to name this figure, otherwise we will get confused. And how we name this figure? Column versus row. Column. So this is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. This is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. And I have seen some students, they get confused between column and row. I tell you very simple rule. Those who are getting confused between what are column, what are row, in building this pillar are also called column. इनको pillars को भी column बोलते हैं. So verticals are column, columns are vertical, horizontals are row. तो verticals जो होते हैं वो columns होते हैं. This is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, row number 1, 2, 3. Or we can do like this. You can put numbering like this 1, 2, 2. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. This is 2 by 2 figure. We call it as 3 by 3 figure. I can take 4 by 4 figure. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 4 figure. Can be 5 by 5 figure. So here first thing is, you put heading number of squares, type 1. So type 1 is n by n figure. See, one option is you can do manual counting. Manually you can count square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's bigger one, 10, 11. But if it is a bigger figure, it will be time consuming. We need short trick. So I tell you the short trick to count number of squares. See here, I give you a short trick. It seems difficult, but when you use it, it is very easy. If it is n by n figure, what is our shortcut? We start with the same number, n into n plus. Then subtract 1 from this n, subtract 1 from this n and multiply. N minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. We keep on subtracting 1 later on it will become 1 into 1, 0 into 0. Once it becomes 0 into 0, stop. I repeat, if your given figure is n by n can be 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. We start with the given value. Then you keep on subtracting 1 and multiply. It seems difficult, but when we will use it, it is very easy. Automatically you get answer. So here first we name this figure. This is 3 by 3 figure. Step number 2, we start with a given number. 3 into 3 plus subtract 1, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. You start with 3 into 3. फिर घटाते जाओ, 2 into 2, 1 into 1, 0 into 0. The moment you get 0 into 0, stop. So this is 9 plus 4 plus 1. So you have 13 plus 1, 14. In this given figure, we have 14 squares. Let me take 2, 3 more example. You start with 3 into 3, then 2 into 2, then 1 into 1, then 0 into 0, 0 into 0, stop. Let us check whether I have given you a correct formula or wrong formula. I take a small figure 2 by 2. So if you count manually, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and bigger one 5. So in this given figure, there are 5 squares. Let us check with our short trick. This is 2 into 2. Value of n can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, depend on the question. So according to our rule, you have to start with 2 into 2, then reduce 1 into 1, then 0 into 0, 0 into 0, stop. So this is 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, manually also you get 5 squares, and here with formula also you get 5 squares. Let me take one more question. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this given figure here is 4 by 4. So what we have to do, we have to start with 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, stop. So this is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, 16 plus 9, 25, 29, 30. So in this given figure, how many total squares are there? 30, 30, 30. I will ask you two questions, try. Take time, keep answer with yourself. In this given figure, count how many squares are there and keep answer with yourself. Okay. So here, step number 1, we will do counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this given figure is 5 by 5. So what we will do, we will start with 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So this is 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. What is your answer? 55, all of you. And smart people, what they have done, they know already it is 30 plus 25, 55. Or you can add 25 plus 16, 41 plus 9, 50, 54, 50. So in this given figure, how many total squares are there? 55. Try next question. Take your time, count number of squares in the given figure. Keep answer with yourself. Okay. Done. I request to online student kindly join the class on time, क्योंकि फिर मैं रिपीट करता फिरूंगा, कोई आधे घंटे बाद आके कहेगा रिपीट कर दो सर स्टार्टिंग का, तो इशू हो जाएंगे आपके लिए. Here it is 6 by 6 figure. So here 6 into 6 plus 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So this is 36 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. It is 91. So how many total squares are there? 91. Is it okay? So this is type 1, very easy. Type 2 is where number of column and number of row are not equal. We have done n by n figure. Like here, number of column 4, number of row 6. And in our topic, it doesn't matter first you take column or first you take row. You can name it as 6 by 4 figure or 4 by 6 figure. My answer is same. Doesn't matter. First you take column, first you take row, we get the same answer. But point is type 2 is where your number of column and number of row are not equal. Similarly, it can be 2 by 7 figure. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 2 column and 7 row, 2 by 7 figure. It can be 3 by 4 figure. So point is where number of column and number of row are not equal, how we will handle this type of question, I tell you. It can be 3 by 4, it can be 5 by 8, it can be 4 by 9, 4 by 6. It can be any figure where number of column and number of row are not equal. Now, let us revise our first formula because that will help you for second formula. Type 1. What is type 1? N by n figure. And what is our shortcut for n by n figure? N into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. Type 2. Type 2 is n by m figure, where number of column and number of row are different. Here also we have to start with a given number n into m. जो दिया उसी से स्टार्ट करना है. And here also our rule is you have to subtract 1 1. You subtract 1 from this n, you subtract 1 from this m and multiply. This time it will be n minus 1 into m minus 1. Then n minus 2 into m minus 2 and so on. You have two tasks. You have to start with the given value and you keep on subtracting 1 1 from both value and multiply. Let me solve 2 or 3 questions for you, then you can try. Here I name this figure as 6 by 4. It doesn't matter if you take 4 by 6, no problem. Answer same ही आता है. So here I start with given value 6 into 4 plus subtract 1 from this 6, you get 5. Subtract 1 from this 4, you get 3. Why I am writing 5? Because 6 minus 1. Why I am writing 3 here? 4 minus 1. Further subtract 1 1. इनमें से भी एक एक subtract करेंगे. 4 into 2. Next further subtract 1 1. 3 into 1. Then 2 into 0. You are subtracting 1 1. One value will become 0. The moment one value 0 into something 0, stop. जैसे 0 आएगा तो रुक जाना है. So here 6 into 4, 24 plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0. 3 plus 8, 11 plus 15, 26 plus 24, 50. In this given figure, we have total 50 squares. Let me take 2 more examples so that all of you will be comfortable. Like here, this given figure is 5 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. So here it is 5 by 3. So we start with the given value 5 into 3. Subtract 1, 1. 4 into 2. 3 into 1. 2 into 0. So here it is 15 plus 8 plus 3. So 15 plus 8, 23 plus 3, 26. In this given figure, we have 26 squares. I can take one more example. First, we name these figures. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is 6 by 3. So we start with the given value 6 into 3 plus 5 into 2, क्योंकि 6 में से एक घटेगा, 3 में से एक घटेगा, plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 0. Stop. Start with the given value 6 into 3, then एक एक घटाना है 5 into 2, 4 into 1, 3 into 0, which is 0. You stop there. So it is 18 plus 10 plus 4. So it is 28 plus 4, 32. In this given figure, how many squares are there? 32. Now you try one question and keep answer with yourself. Take your time, count squares in the given figure. Done. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 5 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 2, 2 into 1. This is 20 plus 12 plus 6 plus 2. So here this is 32, 38, 40. Now next is rectangle. You put heading rectangle. Let me ask you two statements, because I have seen some students, they have some conceptual problem. Statement number 1, you have to tell me correct or wrong. Every rectangle is square. Every rectangle is square. Is it correct or wrong? Wrong. This is rectangle, but this rectangle is not a square. I think you know property of square. Square where all four sides are equal. Second statement. Every square is a rectangle. Is this statement correct or wrong? Yes, this is square. I'm not denying, but this is rectangle as well. When I tell student this is rectangle, then student they argue with me, sir it is square. मैं कब मना कर रहा हूँ? I'm saying it is human being, but you are saying I'm male. मैंने कब मना किया कि आप male नहीं हो? But आप human being भी हो. So same here. This is rectangle. What is the property of rectangle? Opposite side parallel equal and each angle 90 degree. So that's why every square is rectangle. Square है, I'm not denying, but it is rectangle as well. ये rectangle भी है. Like here, first we will check manually. In this given figure, I asked to count number of rectangles manually. Then I tell student this is rectangle number 1. Then some student they get confused, sir it is square. मैं कह रहा हूँ square तो है, but it is rectangle as well. I'm not denying it is not square. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा, but I'm saying it is rectangle as well. This is rectangle number 2, this is rectangle number 3, rectangle number 4. We have small rectangle 4, but we have some extra rectangle like this size, rectangle number 5, rectangle number 6. Then this size, rectangle number 7, rectangle number 8, and the largest one. So it means we have 9 rectangles here. And remember, I will tell you the short trick. We will check with short trick also we are getting 9 or something else. कैसे होगा? सर्कल के एंगल 90 डिग्री है. सर्कल की साइड्स कितनी होती है? फिर टाइप रेक्टेंगल्स. मेरे को लेक्चर में वापस आने में 2 मिनट लग रहे हैं आपके क्वेश्चन सुन के. रेक्टेंगल्स टाइप 1. Type 1 is n by n figure. N by n figure is like 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, like that. What is our shortcut for number of rectangle counting? You can do manual counting, but it is not feasible if it is a bigger figure. So here we have a short trick. What is our short trick? Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural number into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural. Like here, this figure, it is 2 by 2 figure. Value of n can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. So if it is 2 by 2 figure, bracket start 1 plus 2 into second bracket start 1 plus 2. So it is 3 into 3, 9. We have 9 rectangle manually also and with formula also. Wait, let me take 2 more example. See, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural number multiply sum of first n natural number. Wait, 3 by 3 figure. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 3 figure. As per our rule, bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 6 into 6, 36. In this given figure, we have 36 rectangles. Now next. Believe me, manual counting is not feasible. Will take around 7-8 minutes. So better is our short trick. Given figure is 4 by 4. And in this 4 by 4 figure, we will see how many rectangles are there. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3, 6, 10 into 10, 100. In this given figure, we have total 100 rectangles. कहना क्या चाह रहे? हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो जो हमने पढ़ा था, क्या पढ़ा था? सम ऑफ द क्यूब ऑफ फर्स्ट एन नेचुरल नंबर, वो वाला फॉर्मूला n इंटू n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 होल स्क्वायर. हाँ, यस, दैट इज राइट. ये वही है, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन नेचुरल नंबर का होल स्क्वायर. तो ये क्यू वाला ही पैटर्न है एक्चुअली. नाउ आई आस्क यू टू क्वेश्चन, ट्राई. Those who want to do manual counting, you can do. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. डेमोक्रेसी इज देयर. बट 10 मिनट से ज्यादा लगेगा और गारंटी शुदा आएगा भी नहीं आंसर. डन. Now here, this is 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 5 figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3, 6, 10, 15 into 15, 220. Before I take next question, many students, they have a concern, sir, it is sum of first n natural number. Can't we use that formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2? You can use, but there is a one concept, मच्छर मारने के लिए AK-47 नहीं निकाली जाती है. अगर मैंने आपसे ये पूछा 3/3 फिगर, समझो, ठीक है, यू नो फॉर्मूला, ठीक है, तो इट इज 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. You apply formula 3 into 4 divided by 2. फॉर्मूला में कुछ टाइम लगता है. फॉर्मूला इज हेल्पफुल फॉर बिग कैलकुलेशन. Here if you manually add, that is very easy. If you have a small calculation, don't use formula. But if I ask, there is a figure has 10 column 10 row, definitely we will use formula. छोटी कैलकुलेशन में मत यूज करो, बड़ी कैलकुलेशन में yes we have to use formula. But if you want to use okay, but it will be more time using. मेरा ये मानना है कि छोटी कैलकुलेशन में formula take more time as compared to manual counting. But if you find like you are very good in formula, you can save time, that is okay. You can use, I'm not denying. क्योंकि manually also total is 6, with formula also total is 6, 6 into 6, 36. But for at least small calculation, avoid formulas. क्योंकि formula में कुछ time तो लगेगा ही. Take your time. Keep answer with yourself. In this given figure, count how many rectangles are there. Done. Now here our given figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 by 6 figure. So if it is 6 by 6 figure, brackets start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. It is 21 into 21. What is 21 square? 441. So how many rectangles are there in this given figure? 440. Next is type 2. Type 2 is where number of column is not equal to number of row. Like 6 by 4 figure, 5 by 3 figure, 3 by 8 figure. I tell you shortcut, but let us revise first type 1 shortcut, because that will help you to remember type 2. Type 1 is n by n figure. And for number of rectangle, what is our shortcut? Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural number multiply with sum of first n natural number. Type 2 is when it is n by m figure, means number of column is not equal to number of row. Here also our shortcut is, it is n into m, first bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural number, because first alphabet is n. Multiply with second bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to m, because now it is n by m figure. Sum of first n natural number multiply with sum of first m natural number. Let me solve two questions for you, you will understand. It is 6 by 4 figure. Since it is 6 by 4 figure, first bracket it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Second bracket it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Because it is 6 by 4 figure. So it is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 into 10. 210. So in this given figure, how many total rectangles are there? 210. Second question. Doesn't matter. अगर आपने इसको 4/6 भी लिख लिया तो स्क्वायर में रेक्टेंगल में हो 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 सेकेंड ब्रैकेट हो जाएगी 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 + 6 then it is 10 × 21 then also answer is same. So don't bother कि पहले कॉलम काउंट करना है रो कर लेना बस काउंट. यस सोचने में टाइम नहीं लगाना है पहले कॉलम ले लो या रो ले लो आंसर सेम आता है. You take this figure 6/4, you take this figure 4/6. Our answer is exactly same for square also, for rectangle also. तभी मैं बोला ना फर्स्ट यू टेक कॉलम फर्स्ट यू टेक रो डजंट मैटर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Let me solve this question for you then I ask you 1 2 3 4 5. So this given figure is 5/3. Fine. So bracket start 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. Second bracket start 1 + 2 + 3. So it is 3 6 10 15 into 6 90. In this given figure how many total rectangles are there? 90. 90. Next question. Try and keep answer with yourself. Take your time. In this given figure count how many rectangles are there. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. So this is 5/4 figure. Bracket start 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. Second bracket start 1 + 2 + 3 + 4. So it is 15 into 10. I think all of you got 150. Okay, online students. Now so you become master on this topic. Madam as well. But after 2 months, master will become madam, madam will become master. 2 महीने बाद क्या होने वाला है? By mistake, in a square, you will use rectangle formula. In rectangle, you may use square formula. And it is the common problem in UPSC preparation. Even in GS also, yesterday we had a wonderful session. See what happened when I interact with the student, many students, they say they get confused in two answer options. First stage in UPSC is you read one thing. And when you read one thing, if I have taught you only square, no confusion. एक चीज पढ़ने में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता. When you read one thing, there is no scope of confusion. क्योंकि नंगा नहाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा क्या एक चीज में confusion. When you read two similar things, then confusion start. You get confused between president and parliament power. Once you read about parliament, then you get confused about president. फिर president से confusion होना start होगा. And confusion is really a good stage. Actually, that is a good sign. If you are getting confused in your preparation, it means it is a good sign you are reading multiple things. But it doesn't mean if I'm saying confusion is a good sign, you continue with your confusion. उससे आगे बढ़ना है फिर आपने confusion clear करना है ध्यान रखना है. तो let us revise. In n/n figure square में करते क्या है n into n plus n-1 into n-1 and so. तो हम n into n से ही start करते हैं. Whereas in rectangle, what we do? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n multiply with 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to sum of us n natural number multiply with sum of us n natural. You have to be careful about this. Okay. Now problem is from last 6 years हार्डली वी हैव एनी क्वेश्चन वेयर डायग्राम इज गिव। समझ में आया? लेकिन एग्जामिनर नहीं देगा डायग्राम, एग्जामिनर विल नॉट गिव यू अ डायग्राम बिकॉज ऑफ टू रीजन। वन इज अवर एग्जामिनर इज लेजी, तो डायग्राम नहीं बनाना चाह रहा। सेकेंड थिंग इज वी हैव वन कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु आर विजुअली impaired. For those people, they don't want to give a question where diagram is required. But you can't stop UPSC examiner to ask question. They have wonderful command on language. उनका ब्रह्मास्त्र है, मतलब लैंग्वेज के ऊपर इतना बेहतरीन कमांड है ना यूपीएससी वालों का। See, they can convert anything in the language. उनको डायग्राम पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। So they will ask this topic without diagram. कैसा पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन, एंड वी विल डिस्कस PYQ as well.